that? It sounds like bells. Like jingle bells. Oh, it's because we're filming the Jingle Bells Christmas video today. That's why. Oh my goodness. Let me go make a cup of tea. Right, the video, yeah. So, would you like to learn how to play Jingle Bells on the piano? Yeah? Okay, well, stay tuned for more because we'll be learning how to play it. But first, let's have a sneak peek of what you'll be learning. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey guys, it's Lucy here from Fun-Keys. Today we have an exciting new Christmas video for you guys. It's the first Christmas video of our 2020 series and we'll be learning how to play Jingle Bells. But before we get started, please do give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for more videos. Okay, let's get started. So for today's video, we have a beginner's version of our Jingle Bells song. So if you are starting piano or you are learning still, this is the perfect song for you. You can either follow the notes or you can follow the colours. You will see me playing the piano and the music above, okay? So whichever you'd like to follow, you can do. The coloured stickers which I have labelled on my piano are here. You can find them on our website, which I will link below in the description for you guys. You can also find the music, which I've designed especially for this video for you guys, on our blog on our website, which I will also link below in the description for you guys. Did you know we also have a Teachable course? You can learn beginner's piano from only £9.60 a month at your own pace online. I'll link it in the description below for you guys. Remember as well, you can pause the video at any time. You can slow down the video and you can rewind if you missed something, okay? So please remember that as you're watching and learning the song. Okie dokie, let's get started. Great job! Now let's try it faster. And there we are. That's how to play our Jingle Bells beginners version. How did you find it? Was it good? Great stuff. Okay, so now we're going to play the full version with lyrics so you can sing along, play it up to tempo, have a little dance, whatever you prefer. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Now join in with us. See you guys later. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. And there we have it. That was our version of Jingle Bells. Okay guys, that is the end of our tutorial for today. We hope you enjoyed this Jingle Bells video just as much as we did. And if you didn't, leave us some feedback in the comments below. We love to hear from you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel too, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Send us your covers of Jingle Bells too. We can't wait to hear them. Merry Christmas and see you all soon. To laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey,